Did you know that you can practice reverse parallel parking in any quiet car park? Here is how. Imagine you are on the busy street. Position your vehicle as shown here. Don't worry about cutting through the lines if there's no moving traffic when you do this. You can easily improvise the real busy street without freaking out about fast approaching traffic from behind. There's no formula on how to reverse parallel park correctly. It's going to be slightly different every single time. Learn how to accurately judge your distance, required speed and timing by repeating this manoeuvre several times at least every second lesson. This young bloke behind the wheel did only 3 professional lessons until this point, so he's handling everything pretty well. This time we're going to purposely end up a little bit closer to the car. We have a car coming through in this particular situation, so we'll pause before we slightly overshoot to the desired position. Why is this method considerably easier than practicing on a busy road? Because you don't have to stress about oncoming traffic from behind or the opposite direction. Of course, there may be a few cars in the quietest car park, but the frequency of traffic is not as dense as on the main road. Take your time, don't rush. You can make corrections if necessary. You're not going to fail your driving test if you have to make minor corrections. Be persistent. It doesn't have to be perfect every time. Repetition is the mother of all skills. Let's do it a few more times with clear instructions when and what to do. Overshoot a little, but don't go too far, as in the real situation on the main road, if you have a car that's coming from behind that can potentially close the gap behind you and you're going to have to find a different spot to reverse park. This time we don't have to turn as sharp as we did first couple of times, because this time we ended up a little bit closer to the vehicle that we're parking behind. You will never encounter an identical situation for as long as you drive. For that reason, you must develop a good sense of distance and apply necessary changes to complete the reverse parallel park without any significant errors. It's best to overshoot the length of the vehicle that we are parking behind, as you will have more clear vision of their rear end before you start to move. We will start to turn when our rear bumper aligns with the rear end of the vehicle we are parking behind. Once we see that our rear right-hand side wheel crosses the line, we can then start to straighten up. By the time the vehicle is completely parallel, you will have to have your wheel straighten up. Minor corrections are okay. Keep an eye on everything. Some people cut through like this guy. Be alert and never let anything important slip your eye. Take your time, there's no rush. Over the time you will become better and better. Just be persistent and work on improving your flow. Everything is hard before it becomes easy. Don't have high expectations either, just repeat it. We strongly recommend practicing parallel parking on both the left and the right hand sides. That way you will more adequately sharpen your observation skills and become capable of applying necessary corrections quickly and efficiently. Many learner drivers have insufficient skills in reverse parallel parking due to the lack of opportunities to practice, as these manoeuvres usually take place on main roads. When you get to the car park, you can peacefully practice for as long as you want to, and there's no fear of cars getting too fast from behind. And obviously still be aware of any movements around you. That way you're going to be more aware of what's happening within your immediate surroundings. Just understand that every time you attempt to do reverse parallel parking and other ways of parking for that matter will be different. So we'll have to have the skill to adjust and correct when necessary. Please share this video with those who can benefit from it. Hit the like button to support this channel. We thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.